This is the cool down for Unit 3, Lesson 3. Number 1, complete each equation to make it true. Show your thinking using words or diagrams. Okay, well, for A, 5 times 1/8, well, if I'm using a diagram, I'm going to split it into 8 equal parts and shade in 1. So I have 5/8, so here's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I split them each into 8 equal parts and shade 1. Shade this one. And this one. All right, there's my diagram. So I can see I literally have 5/8. I also know 5 times 1 is 5, and I keep my denominator. Okay, let's look at B. Some number times 1/3 is 7/3. Okay, so here we go with our diagram. And 7/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I ran out of room. Well, we'll make a little one. And 3 equal parts, right? I'm hoping your diagrams are much neater than mine. And each one is 1/3. 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know I have drawn and shaded my answer, my value, which is 7/3. I know I have split each one into thirds. This is also my unit fraction. So I need to think of a whole number that when I multiply it by 1/3, I will get 7/3. Well, I literally see 7 of my wholes, right? So 7 wholes times 1/3 is 7/3. I also know 7 times 1 is 7. Keep my denominator 3. Okay, let's look at number 2. Write each fraction as the product of a whole number and unit fraction. That is a lot of vocabulary. First of all, a unit fraction is any fraction that has a 1 on top. I put an N to represent any number, but a unit fraction has a 1 on top. A whole number is just a whole number. A product is the answer in a multiplication problem. So if I look at A, I have 8/9 equals. So 8/9 is my value or product. So what whole number times what unit fraction is 8/9? Well, I know that's literally 1/9 8 times. Because 8 times 1/9 will give me 8/9. Okay, 6/5. Same thing. I know if my denominator is a 5, that the unit fraction has to be 1/5. And then I'm thinking, how many 1/5s? Oh, 6. I also know 6 times 1/5. 6 times 1 is 6. Keep my denominator, 6/5. All right, guys. It's really important now to know that a unit fraction has a 1 as its numerator. It's also important to know product is the answer in a multiplication problem. So let's start using that vocabulary. All right, guys.